In this video, I'm going to show you the mistake that almost everyone makes when using the foam roller on the upper back. The foam roller, a brilliant tool for increasing the mobility in the upper back when it's become stiff and lost its basic ability to extend and therefore rotate effectively. However, the big mistake I see many people making, including some professionals, is extending from the lower back instead of the upper back when we're laying over the foam roller. Your upper back may have become that stiff and tight that when you lay over it, you just naturally extend from the lower back instead. So why is this hyperextending a problem? Well, number one, poor results. You're using the foam roller, in this case, to increase the mobility in your upper back, yet extending in the lower back is going to yield poor results because you're going to maintain that upper back flexed posture. Number two, hyperextending in the lower back creates a faulty movement and creates a point of weakness which can potentially cause pain. Why? Well, hyperextending either excessively or with force can actually create a fracture in the lower back, in the vertebrae there, which is actually much more common than you might think. So what's the answer to this foam rolling question? Well, let's have a look and get into it. Set yourself up with your upper back on the foam roller. At this point you would normally extend over the roller, but what we're going to do first is actually tuck the pelvis under to add a little bit of tone to the lower abdominals. This is going to help you stop hyperextending. If you're not sure what the pelvic tuck looks like, you can actually get into a kneeling position and just try a few pelvic rocks in that position to help you get a feel first. So now maintain that lower abdominal tuck and start to extend over the roller. What you'll find is you're probably not able to go quite as far as you were when you were extending in the lower back, but you're getting a truer feel for how much extension is actually coming from your upper back now. As you work your way up the back with each repetition, you'll find some segments are stiffer than others, so you can do multiple repetitions in that area. Each time you do the foam rolling in the upper back, you can do about 10 to 12 repetitions. That would be ideal. So what you'll find over time is an increased ability to extend the upper back, which is going to protect the shoulder from damage, which relies heavily on you extending that upper back in overhead movements, either activities of daily living where we need to go overhead, or gym or exercise based movements where we're lifting or pulling overhead. Thanks for watching, give it a go and let me know how you get on.